Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Sorkar jela menta ka don hapedeng ka jing Shaïong hingan halor ka jing nang karoy jong ki breu ki Jingïabit ya ka Nongpang COVID-19 hapo ka jela Meghalaya baro ka wei kat banang mi kisni. Bat kumju ru ka jingbun jong ki breu ki balakhlano na ka Jingïabit ya ka ne ka Nongpang. Usembut Menteri Rangba jong ka Sorkar jela uba preston tensong habaya kren bat kilat patai kuboru laong. Banaka liang jong ka Sorkar bat ki bahaying hasem kila persang kat badon la ka boit kabor la kalong yakito ki basya sumar haki private hospital lani haki hospital Sorkar. Nakaliang jong sembut Menteri Rangba ula penparu ya ka jing sngosi halor ka jingbun jong ki Nongpang ki balakhlano nagani ka Jingïabit ya gani ka Nongpang. Badaka jo ka poru la kenturu iki pat ba bakim dai satya ban kainsting ya ka Nongpang henrai ki dai ban bod renti man la ka minute ya ki kendon ki bala penjari dekat tenat ka koi ka khia jong ka Sorkar jela.
See, it is very unfortunate. We have seen it now almost a week. The fatality keep increasing day by day. It is very unfortunate. Of course, government and even the relative of those deceased, they have tried their best, be it in private hospital, be it in the communal hospital. We tried our best, but we could not. So my only request to each and everyone is, let us not lose hope. Let us walk, fight together, and let us also respect the notification, the advisories issued by the government through the health department from time to time, because this is the only way out where we can reduce, be it fatality or be it the active cases. And as I said to you, on daily basis review meeting is held, and we are going to have a review meeting every day. Again, tomorrow also we are going to have a review meeting. So we will see what next to be done. But my only message to all the citizens of the state, please be prepared. If we cannot curb the active cases, because right now, even today we have increased to 450. So it seems the situation is still very grim, very serious. So I would request all the concerned citizens of the state, let us be prepared ourselves. In case if the situation compel the government to continue or maybe to go for a total lockdown, please don't be surprised, don't blame the government, but whatever steps taken by the government, whatever decision we taken from the government side, it is for the best interest of the citizens of the state.